Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, first off, happy Thanksgiving, because today is Thanksgiving Day. By the time y'all see this, it's gonna be like long past Thanksgiving. But so we are headed to San Antonio because we are going to be helping decorate this super duper like fancy hotel for like the holidays. We're also gonna stop by my brother's house because he lives in San Antonio. We're driving there. It's like an hour and a half drive. Why are you laughing? But yes. I haven't been able to film because we like got here and got like straight to business. But if we get done early, I'm just gonna like give you guys a tour of the hotel. Super excited. It's so beautiful. Look at that view, guys. Okay, so we finished for night one. It is currently 8 o'clock and in the room, and I'm gonna just give you guys a quick little room tour. Really dark outside, so you won't be able to see like the outside and stuff, but it's like absolutely beautiful. Like the view of the pool, guys, incredible. And also we're literally right behind Six Flags Fiesta Texas, which is like, I love that place to death. So I'll show you guys all of that stuff once it is in the morning so you guys can actually see it. Like they have a floor 7 and it's adult only, and you have to have a special card like in the elevator to scan to even go up to that floor. Like you can't just like click number 7 and go up, like it will not take. So it is probably like almost 10 p.m. I'm gonna head to bed because I have to be like ready at like the first station at 4 in the morning. So that means I'm probably gonna have to wake up at like 2:50, maybe 3 o'clock. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. So it is currently 3:48 in the morning and headed to where we're supposed to meet up to get something to eat and to get started. It's like so quiet. Also the videos that y'all saw when getting ready, that was my roommate who kept going back and forth. So it is currently 10:08 of the next day. So I didn't really vlog a lot yesterday because we were doing like a lot of decorating, lots of trees and like just craziness. And then my phone almost died at one point, and so I didn't really have much battery or time to be like filming. But we are completely done. I'm gonna go to the shops at La Cantera. Sorry, it's a little bumpy. Because we need to go buy, we didn't get to go Black Friday shopping, so we're gonna go buy some stuff for what? Oh, for New York. For New York. Because that's in like a month, guys. And I have nothing. So we're gonna go do that. Do like a whole other video of like what we got and all that stuff. So you guys will get to see that. Kind of like our Black Friday shopping, but not really. So yeah. So we did all of our shopping. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so much, guys. I'll film a video once we get back to Austin and I'm home, just so you guys can see everything. I'm gonna film both my side and Nate's side because he got some real cute stuff, right? Right?
I'm waiting for.
He really likes the song. So right now, we're actually going to Six Flags. Actually, we hope we're going to Six Flags. What happened? So we hope we're going to Six Flags. I'll keep you guys updated, but I think if that doesn't work, we'll probably just head back to Austin. But if it does work, we'll be here for a couple more hours.